welcome back to worldwidegiantgrowers.com. What I did here today is I germinated some seeds on the dryer. I put these on the dryer like 5 or 6 days ago, and what I did is I wrapped them up in a napkin, just a plain old napkin from your table. And I usually haven't had much luck germinating seeds wrapped in towels. I've told people before. I moistened them good. I soaked them. Actually, I soaked the seeds. They had dry tips on them. I soaked them for quite a while, longer than I anticipated I would. Probably for the entire day. And then I wrapped them in the towel, placed them carefully in this Ziploc bag, sealed it tight, and then I laid them on the dryer here, and I folded the towel over. And I've left them now for 5 days and forgot about them. And here you go. Look at this. Awesome, awesome root. So there you go. Germinating seeds wrapped in a wet napkin, and just leave them in a warm room on the dryer. We do laundry every day, so they get warm with a towel on them, so they don't cool off too much. There you have it. Nice way to germinate your seeds. Hey, we'll talk to you soon. Join us at worldwidegiantgrowers.com. Check out our root keeper. I would now take these and put them right into our root inoculant, the root keeper, plant them in the soil, in a pot. There you go. There you have it. Talk to you soon, man. Keep them growing.